Every untagged ticket that hits your support queue is a black box. Agents spend the first minute asking questions your website already answered. Zendesk messaging conversation tags send that context directly into the ticket the moment a customer starts chatting. Here's exactly how to set them up. Without conversation tags, agents start every chat cold. Which product were you looking at? Were you on billing or checkout? Is this a refund or a bug? Context vanishes the moment the chat window opens. Tags eliminate those first-minute questions by carrying the answers directly from your page into the ticket. If you're migrating from classic Zendesk live chat, all your tag calls need to be rewritten. The old API used web widget with chat.add tags and applied tags immediately. The new messaging API uses messenger.set with conversation tags, and the timing behavior changed. Tags only apply when the user actually sends a message. To implement conversation tags, you'll need a Zendesk account with messaging enabled on Suite Team or higher, administrator access to Admin Center, and developer access if you're using the JavaScript API. If you're still on classic live chat, migrate to messaging first. This tagging system only works with the newer messaging platform. Step 1. In Admin Center, go to Objects and Rules, then Tickets, then Tags. Make sure tags are enabled for your account. This is the foundation. Without this setting on, no tag data will flow through to your tickets. Step 2. Create custom conversation fields in Admin Center. When setting permissions, make sure Customers Can Edit is enabled. If this permission is missing, the API cannot write field values, and your tags will silently fail. Step 3. Call the messenger, set conversation. Tags API on any page where you have customer context. Product pages, checkout flows, campaign landing pages, or account dashboards. One critical timing note: tags only apply when the user sends their first message, not on the API call itself. Set them early. Step 4. Use the Conversation Fields API to send structured data like order IDs, SKUs, or pricing tier values. Field IDs must be strings, values can be string, number, or Boolean, and fields are visible to agents but not customers. Always clear them when users navigate away to avoid stale context. Step 5. The same tagging capability is available on mobile. iOS uses set conversation tags in Swift, Android uses it in Kotlin, and Unity uses the C# SDK. The same timing rule applies on all platforms. Tags are set when the conversation starts. Conversation tags unlock 5 high-impact routing scenarios: routing VIP customers to priority queues, flagging checkout abandonment for follow-up, pre-categorizing tickets by product area, identifying campaign-sourced conversations, and routing free versus paid plan users to different teams. Context from your site travels directly to the right support queue. A messy tag list is harder to maintain than no tags at all. Use lowercase underscores for all tag names. Build a 3-tier taxonomy with prefixes like prod, crease, issue, prides, and P1 always. Use fields for structured data and tags for flexible labels, and audit unused tags monthly. Start with 5 to 10 core tags and expand only when a real need appears. Eesel AI reads your conversation tags and routes tickets using plain English rules. Write instructions like if tag is VIP pipe customer, assign to enterprise team. Auto tag tickets by content even without the widget, and escalate based on tags without writing a single Zendesk trigger rule. You now have everything you need to implement Zendesk messaging conversation tags. If you want AI-powered routing on top of your tags without building trigger logic, try eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card required.